Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hank, and in this video I'll be doing a quick review on the new Sharesies update. In the July update, Sharesies introduced the ability to purchase individual company stocks on the New Zealand Stock Exchange. This means that you can now buy your favorite company stocks such as the Warehouse, Air New Zealand or Westpac directly through Sharesies. In this video, I'll be going over how to buy an individual company stock on Sharesies and comparing their fees to other popular brokers such as Direct Broking and ASB Securities. If this type of content might be useful to you, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's get it started. I'm going to just go over quickly how to purchase individual company stocks on the Sharesies app. I'm currently in my Sharesies menu now, and I can select Invest and then Individual Companies. So here I can see a list of all the company stocks that I can purchase, and I can sort them into highest annual dividends or highest annual returns. Although I would highly recommend against using either one of those options, because past results do not indicate future success, and it's always best to do research on the individual companies yourself before making any investments. But say if I want to purchase a particular stock, for example Air New Zealand stock, I can input $1 as the minimum amount that I want to invest, and then I can select Invest Now. And the transaction fee will show up and be taken away from the amount that you actually invest. Sharesies allows you to purchase a fractional share, so you don't always require the exact amount to be able to invest. So if I go to my recent buy order, I can see that I have purchased 0.36 of a share, and the transaction fee is 0.5 cents. Let's now compare the fees between Sharesies, Direct Broking and ASB Securities. Sharesies has a 0.5% fees on investments under $3,000 and a 0.1% fee on investments over $3,000. So if you invested $5,000, your first $3,000 will be charged at 0.5% fee, and the last $2,000 will be charged at 0.1% fee. This gives a total of $17 fee if you invested $5,000. They also have an annual fee of $30 if you have more than $3,000 in your account. For Direct Broking, they charge a fee of $29.90 for investments up to $15,000 and a 0.2% fee for amounts over the $15,000. The good thing with Direct Broking is that they do not have an annual fee for holding your shares. ASB Securities has a fee of $15 for investment amounts under $1,000 and a $30 fee for investment amounts from $1,000 to $10,000 and a 0.3% fee on any amounts above $10,000. They also do not have a fee for holding your shares. Let's do a comparison of the fees when you buy and sell an investment of different amounts. For a $1,000 investment, Sharesies has a fee of $10 and Direct Broking a fee of $59.80, whereas ASB Securities has a fee of $30. For a $5,000 investment, Sharesies fees is $34, Direct Broking's fee is $59.80, ASB Security fees is $60. For a $10,000 investment, Sharesies has a fee of $44, Direct Broking has a fee of $59.80, and ASB Security a fee of $60. Sharesies has low brokerage fees from a purely fee standpoint, but has high annual fees, so it's not as suitable for buy and hold strategy for long-term investments. It is most suitable for traders that want to do multiple short-term trades within a shorter time frame. It is also suitable for people that only have small amounts to trade, since its minimum amount to trade is $1, whereas the other platforms may require up to $500 for your minimum trade. If trading with Sharesies is something that you might be interested in, you can sign up to them using the link down below and receive $10 for free when you finish signing up. And lastly, check out my previous videos if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.